Welcome to Elaf Umrah online booking system. In this video, we are going to show how easy it is for Umrah agents to register on Elaf Umrah OTA. Step 1. Visit b2b.elafumrah.com. On the homepage, click on Register Now. You will be presented with the registration form. Step 2. Choose a username to access the portal every time you log in and add a strong password. Confirm password and then go to the company details section. Step 3. Here you need to fill in your Umrah agency details. Enter the name, nature of the business, country, e-wallet IBAN number, and your Umrah agency license number. If you don't have an IBAN, then get in touch with your Saudi Umrah company. Once the Umrah agreement is signed and attested by the ministry, your agency will get the Umrah license and IBAN number. Once you fill in these details, kindly go to the agent information section. Enter your first name and last name with your active email ID. A one-time confirmation of account activation will be sent to this email address. Finally, enter your business mobile phone number. After that, click on the checkmark box to agree with Elaf Umrah's terms and conditions and submit to register. Step 4. After you submit the form, a verification email will be sent to you. Simply open the email and click on the verification link. Congratulations, and you are now ready to use Elaf Umrah OTA. We are Elaf Umrah online booking system, your trusted Umrah business partner.